Yeah.
It's better if you see what's on the inside. Got it tipped around the wrong way.
What's that?
Can't see it.
Working class woodsman.
A couple more in there? Yeah.
Good. Go with
What else
that.
do we got?
I don't think it's going to dry out.
Just throw the whole thing in?
Yeah, fresh rose for good time.
Got a spice cabinet here somewhere.
Wow.
You like all the spices, right?
Yep.
What do we do with that butter?
Hey, be careful. Them things are razor sharp. Marie breaking down some potatoes with her mortar. Scalloped potatoes. All that stuff, rainbow trout. Kidding me?
Delicious.
Gonna need some more firewood there, Sad?
Yeah, probably. At least some more small stuff.
I'll put my snowshoes on and kind of grab something.
Yeah, go over there. Little charcoal chimney.
New technique. One snowshoe at a time. Ooh, what do you know that is? Probably.
Don't get any better than that. A little bit of camp coffee, dyed coffee.
On my leg.
Does there have a compass on that?
Ah, good. Yep. Oh, wait.
Oh, I gotta pour the Yep. But
It's a different, it is a different winter because of the coast. It definitely is.
yeah. But when I went to Colorado, it's like it's so dry that you could be. If the sun's out, you're in a tank top out. You're surrounded by this much snow or more, but it gets really warm. It's nice. And no bugs.
Yeah, it's just the whole fly season up here. I was like, oh. Everyone warned me of it, but
yeah. Ed, how does Tara do with bugs?
I don't know.
I mean,
I
mosquitoes, they just don't.
lose my shit. I can't.
Oh, I woke up and like we're camping down in I don't know where were we? North Carolina, Carolina Beach.
Oh yeah, took him to Jefferson Knot, and we watched him wipe out on a rock and land on his back.
Yeah, he's in a blizzard, hon. He's in a blizzard trying to light a fire.
that on
If
tape?
this was like a
Excuse me, why was
native
that not on tape?
reservation,
Yes,
it'd be Ed Two Sticks.
but why wasn't that on video? That would have been perfect.
Yeah.
Well, you're thinking it's on the ground.
That's the thing, it's like, but they're perfect, like one more snowshoeing, because
Oh, I see.
because
It's
they
on the
breathe
ground.
and, yeah,
How about that for a save?
there you go. Wait, you can save that on the stick too. That looks like a good one.
Do you want your gloves?
Wrap it around the pocket.
Oh, do you want to try some fish? You'll probably like it because there's and the potatoes have cheese on it.
You want my wool shirt? So what do you think? Ready for the unveiling?
Let's do it.
All right.
1 trout and a big pot of scalloped taters.
Scalloped potatoes and rainbow trout. Oh man. Are you kidding me? Look at that.
Wow.
There you have it. 1 stuffed rainbow.
Rainbow trout. I'm gonna
And
tell you, man, I don't think I've been to a restaurant that garnished the plate that good. Look at that freaking
it's
thing.
good to hear. I want to put that on the
Good Lord.
board and we'll feast. Look at those scalloped potatoes though. Those are phenomenal. Absolutely
My
phenomenal.
parents live in
Good stuff.
All right.
They live on this like tiny.